Isa doon sa data na ipinasent yung kanina doon sa tourism, na nasurpasan natin yung mas magandang performance ng pre-COVID. Is this a reflection na maayos talaga ang peace and order natin sa bansa?
Maaari po. Maganda po yung punto po. Dahil kung hindi po, hindi maganda ang peace and order sa Pilipinas, mas malamang po matakot ang mga turistang pumunta sa atin. Pero dahil nga tumataas po ang bilang ng mga turistang pumunta sa atin, naungusan na nga po yung pre-COVID time natin. So, ibig sabihin po, hindi natatakot ang mga turistang pumunta sa ating bansa.
Salamat po, Yusek.
Jean Mangaluz, Philippine Star.
Good afternoon po. Former President Rodrigo Duterte flew to Hong Kong over the weekend, and some are making the connection that this could be in relation to the ICC arrest warrant. So, as seen in the case of Alice Go and former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque, may history yung government of high-profile personalities traveling outside of the country kung may issue. So, how is the government preparing for this if President Duterte should flee?
If President Duterte would
flee the country.
Okay, as of now, we are not thinking nor contemplating about the president evading the law. So, maybe I could not answer as of the moment. It's kind of hypothetical. We cannot conclude that there is this propensity on the part of former President Duterte that he would escape, considering he was the one who asked for this. Bakit? Sinabi niya sa Quadcom hearing, handa siya harapin ang ICC. Pinamamadali nga niya yung ICC. Di ba sabi niya, hurry up. At ang sinabi pa niya, tomorrow, bukas na bukas din, kung gusto niyo mag-imbestiga. And if you will put me in prison, I will rather rot in jail. So, kaya po yung mga kababayan natin, dapat mag-relax dahil hiling po ito mismo ng dating Pangulong Duterte.
Follow up. Sorry. So we also don't know where Harry Roque is. He admitted that he evaded Congress and the BI said that he left the country illegally. Does the president have a directive on this?
Actually, according to the BI, they has this intelligence information on the location of Harry Roque. But as of the moment, I will not divulge on that. It may be too confidential for me to divulge any operation on that.
Go ahead.
Yusek, talking about eventualities in relation to the Hong Kong question, no? So you mentioned hindi naman natin na-assume na he will evade the law, the former president. So what happens if in case yung red notice na issue habang nasa Hong Kong siya? Ano po ang mangyayari doon? Paano ang gagawin ng gobyerno doon?
Since nasa Hong Kong po siya, kung doon maisaserve yung red notice, ang makikipag-ugnayan po sa Interpol ay ang gobyerno po ng Hong Kong. Pagkakataon lang po yata, ang Hong Kong ay hindi miyembro ng Interpol. So, let's just cross the bridge when we get there. Hindi po natin masasabi dahil nasa ibang bansa po siya. Ay, okay na.